Okay guys, so we're going to go through a couple of terms that we're going to use through algebra. So the first one, variables. So basically a variable, also known as a pronumeral, is basically any letter that we use in place of a number that either we don't know, we're going to figure out, we haven't been told yet, that sort of thing. A term is when we put a letter and a number together, or potentially multiple letters. All right, but when we put them together, we can only use multiplication or division. So things like 3t, which of course means 3 times t, is a term. All right, p by itself is a term. 4 over s, because that means 4 divided by s, is also a term. An expression is when we link multiple terms together using plus or minus. So for example, the expression 4t plus 3e has two terms. Term 1 is 4t and the other term is 3e. All right. The coefficient is the number that appears in front of that letter. So for example, in this one, 4t plus 3e, the coefficient to t is the number 4. Okay. An equation is when we join multiple expressions together using the equal symbol. So that's saying that those two expressions are the same, or they make the same thing. All right, and then we're going to mention the 4 words that we're going to use. So sum means add together, so the sum of a and b means a plus b. Difference means minus, so the difference of a and b is a minus b. And then of course we have product, which is multiply, so the product of a and b is a times b, or ab. And then quotient means divide, so the quotient of a and b is a divided by b. Make sure you get all those down.